In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Canva projects by increasing the duration of your videos, essentially allowing them to play on a loop. This process is incredibly handy when you're looking to create dynamic presentations or engaging social media content that needs to hold attention for a bit longer. Let's dive right into it. First off, what you'll want to do is navigate to your Canva project. If you're already familiar with Canva or have been working on a project, you'll know that accessing your project is super straightforward. Go to the main page where your projects are listed and click on the one you wish to work on. It's always helpful to ensure that your project is ready for this edit, so double check that everything else looks good before proceeding. Once you have your project open, the next thing you'll want to do is focus on the video that you want to edit. Click on the video to select it. By doing this, you're telling Canva which video you are intending to manipulate. It's important to make sure you have the correct video selected to avoid any unintended changes to your other media files. Now that your video is selected, let's move to the exciting part. To increase the video duration and essentially allow it to play on repeat, you will need to find the Edit button. Clicking on Edit will bring up additional options that allow you to fine-tune various aspects of your video. Among these options, you should see one labeled Play on Repeat. All you need to do here is toggle this option on. By toggling Play on Repeat, Canva will automatically set your video to loop continuously. This means that once your video reaches its endpoint, it will start all over again seamlessly. This feature is especially useful if you're creating a carousel of videos meant to engage viewers continuously, or for backgrounds in presentations that require video to loop without distraction. After adjusting this setting, you're all set. Your video will now loop repeatedly, and you don't have to worry about your content stopping abruptly. Your video will keep playing, delivering a consistent viewing experience. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you have effectively enhanced your Canva project by extending the duration of your video through a looping feature. This simple trick can add a lot of value by keeping your content active and engaging. Whether for presentations, social media, or any creative project you're working on, this feature is a great tool in your digital toolbox. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this guide useful in elevating your Canva projects. We'll see you in the next video for more tips and tricks.